This is exactly how strawberry jam is made in a factory. It preserves fleeting summer fruit for 2 whole years, maintains a pristine chunks-to-jelly ratio across millions of units, and fills hundreds of thousands of iconic gingham-capped jars every single day. But to achieve this, delicate berries must survive a violent hydraulic gauntlet, endure white-hot steam sterilization baths, and get trapped inside a crushing vacuum seal that snaps steel lids shut. Our team spent 4 grueling days inside the Bonne Maman facility in Biag-sur-Cère, France, watching 80,000 jars of molten fruit matrix get processed every single hour. And in this video, we will show you the 14 primary industrial production steps from raw field harvesting to the final automated box packing. By the end of this journey, you will see exactly why a common grocery store jar requires the same engineering precision as a supersonic jet engine. I know you're ready, so let's go. Step 1. Field extraction and refrigerated intake. Fields do not give up their fruit easily, so steel claws must snatch them from the dirt. Weight builds up fast and threatens to squash them. Cold air stops the clock on rot immediately. Now the factory takes control of the harvest. Gravity drives them into the processing mouth. Massive scales measure the weight of the haul, and a giant screw pushes them forward. Step 2. Turbulent hydraulic flume washing. A tidal wave hits the dirty berries first. This watery highway scrubs away the field grit. Air bubbles blast them from underneath. Rocks drop like stones through floor slots. While paddles skim away the stray leaves. Clean chemical showers sanitize every single surface. Vibrating tables shake off the excess moisture. They emerge clean and ready for surgery. Step 3. Mechanical de-stemming and calyx removal. Next come the spinning rubber rollers. They grab the green stems tightly and snap them off without cutting. The machine strips away the tough bits. Soft curtains force them down into the trap. Waste drops out of the bottom lane. The naked fruit moves to the next test. Speed keeps the line from backing up. Step 4. Optical laser sorting and pneumatic ejection. The fruit takes a short flying leap. Laser beams inspect them in mid-air. Computers spot any ugly or green spots. Then air guns shoot down the losers. They get knocked right out of line. Only the perfect red ones survive. Human eyes double-check the machine's work. Now the chosen fruit forms a crowd. Step 5. Precision mass metering and multi-ingredient dosing. The fruit fills up a giant cup. Heavy sensors calculate the exact weight. Then liquid sugar rushes into the mix. Hot sweetness coats the cold berry skins. Natural powder joins the sweet sludge. Sour liquid balances out the sweet taste. Giant paddles fold the heavy soup together. The thick sludge flows into the pipes. Step 6. High-pressure vacuum evaporation and cooking. A powerful vacuum sucks up the soup. The machine sucks all the air away. Hot steam wraps around the inner walls. The low pressure makes it boil cool. Water vapor escapes without burning the fruit. Chilled metal pipes turn steam into water. Now the liquid thickens into sweet lava. A heavy pump pushes out the lava. Step 7. Automated glass depalletization and inversion. Pallets of empty glass jars arrive together. Sharp blades slice off the plastic coat. A metal arm pushes the glass army. Narrow lanes force them into single file. Rubber belts flip the jars upside down. Air jets blow out any stray dust. The metal cage twists them upright again. The clean glass races toward the heat. Step 8. High-pressure steam inverted jet sterilization. The jars enter a dark steam tunnel. Red lamps warm up the cold glass. Sharp nozzles shoot hot steam inside them. The white heat kills any hidden germs. Tilting rails drain out the wet drops. Dry air dries the inner glass instantly. A spinning wheel locks them into position. Shielded roofs keep the clean glass safe. Step 9. Volumetric rotary piston filling. Spinning wheels feed the jars to filler. Hot liquid jam sits in top bowl. Heavy metal cylinders push down the jam. Red liquid fills the glass container fast. The nozzle cuts off the sticky drip. Lowering steps drop the full jars down. The hot red jars leave the spinner. Blue lasers check the exact fill line. Step 10. Steam jet vapor vacuum capping. Full jars slide into the capping room. Red and white lids slide down tracks. Hot steam blasts away the open air. The moving glass snatches a loose cap. Spinning steel hands clamp down hard. A fast twist locks the lid tight. Cool air inside creates a tight vacuum. The vacuum snaps the metal lid shut. Step 11. Thermal tunnel pasteurization. Sealed jars march into a giant oven. Hot water showers the glass bodies. Deep heat kills off any bad spores. Boiling water washes off any sticky mess. Pressure builds up inside the hot glass. The water temperature drops a little bit. Heavy gears drag them through the steam. The cooked jars step out of dark. Step 12. High-velocity hydro-cooling shock. Next up is the cold water shock. Freezing showers blast the hot glass jars. Cold turns the liquid into thick jelly. Heavy sweat runs down the outer walls. Air knives blow away all the water. The dry jars emerge completely cold now. A blue belt pulls them into line. They travel toward the branding machine. Step 13. Vacuum click vision auditing. Every single lid needs a sound test. A little hammer taps the metal top. Computers listen for a high, clear ring. A bad seal makes a dead thud. A fast piston kicks out the failures. Lasers measure the bend of the steel. Only the airtight jars pass the test. The winners march to the final room. Step 14. Rotary labeling and robotic case packing. Jars enter the fast labeling wheel. Sticky glue coats the paper back smoothly. The glass body rolls onto paper labels. Soft foam pads smooth out any bumps. Robotic suction cups lift 12 jars together and drops them into a paper box. Mechanical folders tape up the heavy case. The long journey ends on a pallet. The journey from a fresh strawberry field to a sealed glass jar is complete. This is how it's factory made. If you enjoyed watching these high-speed machines handle delicate fruit without crushing it, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share this with a friend who can't start their morning without a sweet slice of toast. Your support helps us step inside the world's most secretive factories. That's how we bring you the truth behind the products you love. So what product do you want to see us uncover next? Let us know in the comments. And if you think preserving millions of fresh strawberries was impressive, you'll definitely love to see how mayonnaise is made. If you want me to take you to the Hellmann's Unilever plant in New Jersey, where you would see automated lines blend, pump, and pack over 120,000 jars of thick, velvety mayonnaise every single hour, click this video right here, and I'll show you how it's factory made.